Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to prepare jerk turkey. Yeah, man.
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Thanksgiving has passed, but guess what? A lot of people like myself like to have some turkey. I already have a Thanksgiving turkey out, regular turkey, and you can go and check that one out if you're not interested in the spicy food. However, this video that I'm going to be showing you is just how to marinate and prepare your turkey for baking. Part 2 will be releasing shortly, so get your turkeys ready and let's kickstart this jerk turkey. So forward, let me show you what I'm going. Just remove the neck, so we don't throw away the neck that they put in the turkey. Gonna use that to make our sauce. Here I have some butter. Gonna add to that some all-purpose seasoning. Bring some flavor to the butter, you know. I'm gonna go in with some jerk seasoning. Just mix that up. And I melted this butter a tiny bit so it's easier to work with. Turkey is a very dry poultry, so we need added fat to help keep it moist as much as possible. You want to get the skin, and what you want to do, lift the skin like that. Use your finger, just pull away this gently because you don't want to pierce the skin. Just kind of release the skin from the flesh. Gently work your fingers down, ensuring not to pierce the skin. Because once the skin is pierced, you know, you're exposing the meat now to the dry heat for the meat to get dry, and that's what we're trying to avoid. However, if you have a turkey like mine, you have to be extra careful because this turkey automatically came ripped. Just gonna clean this up a bit. Don't like how that's looking. So we got that free up, and the breast is the part that goes dry easily, so we need to work on that extra keenly. Just kind of do the same thing for the legs. Again, being very gentle. So the skin is very elastic, easy to work. So now that we have that covered, we're gonna go in with some of that butter, that seasoned butter, right? Gonna go under the breast, massage that butter in. As I said, added fat helps to keep the breast as moist as possible. So we just kind of help the turkey a bit, rub some on that skin, and we just work that butter right around. If you're a turkey lover, you know how annoying it is to have a dry turkey. Roll the leg here just the same. Get those creases. Now for that jerk marinade. You want to use a glove for this because it's a bit spicy, right? Just gonna go in with a bit of that under the skin just the same, lightly, so we get flavor right throughout the turkey now, man. We're just gonna go in the carcass now. You rub that season in outside of the skin now. You rub that on. Spread those wings to new horizons. Flip the bird over and repeat. Wash on that arm. Yeah. Sprinkle a bit of all-purpose on the outside. Not too much. And a little bit of that jerk. Just so the dry rub on there. I'm not gonna rub that in. Flip it over and repeat. So right here under the neck you'll find that wishbone. You know, as a kid they have that bone shaped like a Y, and both of us hold each end and we break that and make a wish. That bone is right here. So you locate that, we cut this flesh away from the bone. And what this does is to help us to carve. So you see that V right there? When you remove this, it makes carving your turkey way easier. See that bone right there? Just locate the bone. Use your fingers. Get the wing. We're gonna fold those under. So fold those up behind the neck to have your turkey sitting comfortably and to help this to bake evenly right through, right? So I have here some baby carrots. As you can see, they're not the best looking ones, but I want to get them used up. We're going to use regular carrots. Just going to stuff the carcass to add some extra flavor in there. And this onion, look at the onion in 4 with the skin and everything, because we already washed this, right? Just gonna stuff 2 up inside the turkey and put 2 in the pan. Now we should have a wider pan. Now normally we would put tomatoes and celeries inside here, right? But I don't have any tomatoes and celeries right now, so I'm just gonna do that in the continuation of this video. This is basically how you stuff it. Just pull down that skin, get the skin over the leg and tuck that under. If it's ripped, that is. We just get an oven safe cord. So you put one under here, one over. Bring this back. You bring this like that. So make like a figure 8. Just gonna tie that tightly, just to keep the legs. Tie that tightly, bring it over again, and make a knot, just to keep the legs intact, so the turkey stays firmly. And we just tie a bow. So when you tie the legs and you fold the wings, it allows the turkey to cook evenly. So there you have it, how to season and prepare your turkey for roasting here on Morr's Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.
See you another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.